Fuel is currently the largest operating cost for reefer trailer operators. Losing fuel means losing money. That's why we are excited to offer the TankSafe anti-siphon as a factory fit option. We have partnered with TankSafe for over 10 years. They designed a custom anti-siphon for Schmitz Cargobull fuel tanks that is robust, fills at 120 liters per minute and prevents fuel theft and spills. TankSafe, like Schmitz Cargobull, is a family-owned company that is committed to its values. Both companies focus on customer satisfaction, continuous innovations and the delivery of high-quality products. I recommend the TankSafe solution for Schmitz Cargobull trailers to our customers. Keep on trucking.